In this week's video, guys, I have a good one for you guys. Well, hello, creative. In this week's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own ear savers. Those face masks, hurting those ears? Mine too, guys. So wonderful that they came up with that new trend of making ear savers. So just like the previous video where I show you guys how to make the ear savers with the headband, now I'm going to show you how to make an ear saver. This is the first time I'm trying this, so I've never made them, but they came out pretty well. This is using recycled leather that I had. I reused some leather scraps and buttons. Came out so cool. So we're gonna get ready to get started, guys. And this one is denim and leather and some buttons. And I gave it some little heart buttons because we're in the month coming up of Love Month, Valentine's Day, V-Day. All right, guys. All right, let's get started. And these are washable. That's a good thing about they're very washable. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I put them on. So basically, as you see, you take it, put it in the back. Alright. Put your ear mask on. You have the option to do the first button. That's why I gave it 2 buttons, because depending on the individual, you do the first or the back, up to you, depending. And you see, that's it. Real simple. So you don't have to worry about the face mask hurting you anymore. The string on it, right? And that's it. See? How simple. A stylish little ear saver. How cute is that? Nice and stylish. Right, guys? All right. So I'm going to show you the next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye.